Hello there, and welcome to this collection of notebooks and tutorials on audio coding. This is a course offered by Professor Schuller at the Ilmenau University of Technology. I am Renato, the instructor for these online materials, and on this tutorial we will talk about the basics of multirate signal processing. In fact, this tutorial is taken from the materials that we use in Advanced Digital Signal Processing. It is a course offered by Professor Schuller, and we have this part with the basics of multirate signal processing, and we also have the full course on multirate signal processing. And here you can find the link to our GitHub, and there you'll find notebooks with embedded videos covering all the content. So this tutorial is more or less a summary, and you can use it as a reference, but I highly recommend that you go through the materials here from Advanced Digital Signal Processing and Multirate Signal Processing available in our GitHub. Let's get started.